Hi, I'm Pawan. The question I choose was best time to buy and sell stock. Basically, we are given integer array prices where the prices of I is the prices of the given stock on the ith day. I mean the day. On each day, you may decide to buy and or sell the stock. You can hold at most one share on the stock at any time. However, you can buy it immediately and sell it on the same day. Okay, we have to return the maximum profit that we have achieved in a single day. So, okay. The prices are like 715364. The expect output is 7. Explanation is here. When we buy up on day 2, the price is 1, and sell on day 3 when the price is 5, we get a total profit of 4. And when we move on to the next one, um, when we buy a stock on day 4, it's when the price is 3, and sell on day 5 when the price is 6, the profit is 3. So the total profit is 7. Likewise, as we can see in the example 2, the prices are like increasing gradually 1 2 3 4 5. So maximum minus minimum will get the output for sure. And see, as we can see here, the it's gradually decreasing. So even though if we invest on the day 1, we won't get any kind of, we will be in the loss, so we won't invest in it. So this question basically can be solved in two ways, either using two pointers or else using dynamic programming. Two pointer method is like we will use two pointers and we will move on according to the given, when according to the what do you call, according to the question. In this case, we can check the price on the day 1 and day 2. If the price on day 2 is lower than the day 1, so we'll buy a stock on day 1, and we will compare the next day. Okay, on the on the day 3, sorry, on the day 3, yeah, on the day 3, on the day 3 the price is 5, but we bought a stock on day 1, so we got profit of 4. Likewise, we need to do we can do that in this way. Okay, so let's take a profit. How much profit we got? Let's say it is total profit. Total profit. Fuck. It's total profit. Okay, we got iterate in 2 pointers, right? So for x in range of from where to where, from 7 to the 4, so we have to take from length of what prices. If you take length of prices, it is like the second pointer will move out of the index, so you have to choose -1 so that it will be in the range of the index. So, and if here is the condition, if prices on x is greater than, sorry, is less than prices of x plus 1, then we'll increment the count. You can return the count. Let's see how it works. It won't work. Let's see if any errors. Count 0 for x in range length of prices. If prices of x is, yeah, see here, the way it works, like on the day x in the sense, sorry, on the prices x in the sense x0, so prices of 0 means 7 is less than 1. 7 is less than 1, no, it's false, then it move, and the pointer of the x will be in the 1, x plus 1 on the 5. So on the day x, 1 is less than 5, true, so the count will be like abs of profit of x 1 minus 5, count 4. On the ith one, on the iteration 1, count equal to 4, as we can see. Okay, next when we move on the day 5, sorry, on the day 4, the count, on the day 4 the profit of x is 3 and the x plus 1 is 6. So on the iteration 3, that is on the iteration 3, the count will be 3, right? So the total count will be 7. This won't happen for sure. Let's see whether it works or not. Fuck, what? Prefix profit not defined. Sorry, it's not profit, it's prices. Now it will work. Yeah. Let's run the example test case and see. Yeah, it worked. I have previously submitted these questions in CPP and I have checked it. Yeah, it worked within 74 ms, and we can do this by using dynamic programming too. Let's try it. So dynamic programming works in this way. Basically, you will take an array or a list with all the zeros with the length of the prices, like let's store n length of prices, and we have to basically dynamic programming is like we need to multiply all the store all the sorry, we need to multiply the length of the prices, sorry, length of the prices into all the zeros, so that the output will be like 0 0 0 into 6. So we got iterate now for x in range of from where 1 to n, and when dpi is like that the first zero of index 0, dp of I minus 1. Wait, let me write it and then I will explain you what is exactly happening here. Max of prices of x minus prices of x minus 1. Okay, we have taken the length of the prices n, that will be in this case, in the example 1 case, it will be in the 6, and the dp it will be like 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 6 times, and then after from 1 to n, if we take the same example, what the reason I choose up to n is like if you move beyond n, it will throw an error called index out of range, so we won't take it. It won't throw an error, but okay, wait, let me run it and see once whether it works or not. No, wait, okay, I is not defined. Where is I? Okay, sorry, it will work, I think it has to work. Yeah, so let's exactly see what is happening exactly here. Okay, see, on the iteration 1, on the x will be 1, so dp of 1 minus 1 is 0, so dp of 0 is 0 plus max of 0 comma prices of x means 0, prices of 0 is 7 minus prices of x minus 1 minus 1 0, 7 minus 0 is 7 minus 0 7, no, sorry, it's like prices of x is, sorry, 1, yeah, prices of 1 is, okay, 1 minus 7 is minus 6, so the max is 0. So on the iteration it will took, so we are starting with the index 1, so it will be 0 here for sure, and then now we got 0, then after it will be 2, when the dp of 2 minus 1 is 1, okay, dp of 1 is 0, right, plus max of 0 comma prices of x is here 2, prices of 2 0 1 2 5 minus 2 minus 1 is 1, 5 minus 3, it's 2, sorry, wait, yeah, that's the reason I need a pen and paper. Prices of x is 2 here, so 0 1 2 is 5 minus prices of 2 minus 1 yeah, 5 minus 1 is 1, so 4, sorry, 5 minus 1 is 4, so 0 comma 4 4, so max of 4 is 4. Yeah, likewise we will move on. So we will have our output on the index minus 1, so we are just returning it. We will see whether it works for all the test cases or not. Okay, let me comment it. It's accepted. Right, no, runtime doesn't matter here, both exactly the two pointer method and dynamic programming method didn't have much difference. Yeah, as I said, okay, it was in the previous video, one of the cut videos. I have said like it will take memory management soon, cause it will take memory management. I mean, what do we call it? It has no, wait, let me explain this clearly. Here the input is like only, the constants are like 3 into 10 power 4, but there is a question called First missing positive. For this question, we can solve it in the dynamic programming way. I've solved it basically. No, I've solved it. Okay, it will be. The constants are like 10 power 5. In this question, we can't solve it using a dynamic programming. So you better go for with two pointer method. So the problem with this thing is like we will get an error called memory limit exceeded. When we get it, we can't get the solution. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.